So after like 1 minute or 2 minutes, you can see the wireless LED, the wireless light is on. It means okay, the DD-WRT program is successful installing. So I want to check, and I want to show you the interface now is become DD-WRT. So I need to change the IP address again. Change from here. I choose auto and conform. So very important thing is now the IP address is not 10.10.10.254. Now the IP address is changed to 192.168.1.1. Is the IP address from DD-WRT. Okay, we're done. You can see the DD-WRT is here. But firstly, the DD-WRT, they will ask you to change your username again. So you can change ADMIN. You can choose what you want. I type ADMIN and re-enter to confirm ADMIN. ADMIN. Okay, change the password. Okay, we in the DD-WRT interface. Okay, now you can see, but for one, because our router compatible with DD-WRT, you can do many things here. For any function, they will ask you to retype the ID and password. So I'm going to choose the save. So you can do something from here. I don't know, because some users, they prefer to have an interface. They prefer to have a DD-WRT interface. Okay, I think if you already have a product, have our ARGtek 1211, and you want to upgrade to DD-WRT, you can download the program, or you can send me the email, and I think it's easy. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.